You name it, and we've got it. And I especially like the story songs. And my first guest is a master storyteller, both as a writer and as a singer. Please welcome one of my favorite country music artists, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Tom T. Hall, right there.
Country is sitting on the back porch, listening to the whippoorwill late in the day. Country is minding your business, helping a stranger if he comes your way. Country is living in the city, knowing your people, knowing your kind. Country is watch